What's up, y'all? It's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. By the title, y'all know I'm about to do a Fashion Nova try on haul. This is the very first one I've ever done, so bear with me. I had ordered quite a big package for Fashion Nova and I wanted to show you all what I got. The plan was for me to get a coat and I got 3. So I'm going to show you all what I got from Fashion Nova and try it on for you all so that you can see how it looks on me. We're going to just start off with something simple that I got that I just added to my cart. This is just a plain white crop top that I got because I needed a new one. I ruined the other one I had, so I bought another one. So nothing spectacular, just a plain white crop top. So the next thing I got was some black silk, like not trousers, but black silk pants. I already have like some burgundy color pants and some green silk pants, so I needed some black ones. And they have like a stretchy waistband and they're really long. Like, they're really long. The material itself doesn't stretch, but the waistband does. So hopefully these fit me properly. But yeah, they're just like some wide leg black silk pants, just to add to my collection. But these I could probably wear to church. I can wear them out like a late night or a date night type of thing, or out with some friends. Yeah, so the next thing I got is just a green jumpsuit, or yeah, a green jumpsuit, like a long sleeve one. Just like a hunter green, or yeah, a hunter green jumpsuit. I can always use a jumpsuit, just something to throw on with a vest that I have. I have a black fur vest, so that will go great with this jumpsuit. So, and it's like a nice durable material. It does stretch quite a bit, but it is a durable material. So, and it just zips down the front. Almost giving scuba vibes, but it's okay. It's cute. I like the color of it. Like, this purchase, I was a little skeptical about because they look like pajama pants, but I seen a girl in these, or I seen a girl do a fit in some like plaid boxer pants, so I wanted to try them. So I got these. It's like a green and blue color. Yeah, and they're just like a wide leg. So I'm hoping that these fit how I want them to fit. They do look like pajama pants, but I'm going to style them so that they look like, you know, regular pants. They are regular pants. They aren't pajamas, but yeah. So we'll see. I have some sunglasses that will go perfectly with, like some shades that will go perfectly with these. So I'm hoping that, you know, it comes across. So yeah. And I'm sure these are probably really, really comfortable. So now I'm about to get into the coat. I went on there to get 1 coat and I bought 3, y'all. And a vest. And all the other stuff that I just showed y'all. Ooh. Y'all, look at this. This is cute. It's a jean puffer jacket. It's like almost like an acid wash in a sense, like a light wash with all the pockets. This is about to be cute. I already see it, and it seems warm. So I'm excited to try this on, y'all. And this, I got this because I knew it could go with my plaid pants, but also you can't wear jean jackets all winter long, so this is like the perfect medium. Like I got a jean coat, so I won't be cold, but I can wear like the jean jacket look. So this I'm really excited about. I feel like this is like a staple piece for me. So yeah, I'm excited. The next coat I got is kind of like a staple piece too. So it's like a army fatigue style. This is not the color I thought it was gonna be. On the site, the black looks blue. It's kind of not going with the vibe that I kind of wanted it to go with. I don't know, y'all. I might send this one back. And it's like not really thick. Like it's kind of almost a little thin. It's definitely thinner than the puffer coat that I just showed y'all. It's cute, but I thought the black was blue. And it's black. I don't know, y'all. We might take this one back. Send this one back. I'm gonna try it on. The last coat that I got, that I actually went on there to get. This is the coat I got. It is called Coat News Puffer Jacket. I like the color of it. The color is really, really nice. It's like a sage color. And has the fur on the hood that you can detach, which I like. You can cinch the waistband right here. And then there's like some deep pockets. So I'm excited about this. I'm hoping it fits. And then the back, you can cinch in the back as well right here at the bottom. So I'm hoping this is warm and cozy so I can wear it in the winter because your girl need a coat. This is the last thing that I got, which is a puffer vest. And it's blue. It's like a baby blue, which I think I could wear these with like one of my Jordans that I have. So I like this. Only thing is it doesn't have pockets, which that's annoying, but you know, we can make do. But yeah, I don't have a puffer coat. I'm in a puffer vest, so I think this is a good item to add to my closet. Only vests that I have are like fur or faux fur vests. So I can always use a puffer. And I also did get like a, what did I get? A turtleneck, like a long sleeve white turtleneck bodysuit. I already wore it because I needed to wear it this weekend. So that I already wore, so I won't show it in here, but it's just like a basic long sleeve turtleneck white bodysuit. So that is everything that I got in this haul. Hope you all like all the items that I have. You will see fits put together from some of the items that I bought out of this, and I will be posting it on my Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram at Jazman_Domonique. That's JZMAN_DOMONIQUE. And then yes, definitely follow me on TikTok too at Jazman Domonique. Same spelling, JZMAN_DOMONIQUE, so that you can see how I put the fits together. Okay, that is all I got from Fashion Nova. I hope you all enjoyed the try on haul. If you want to see more hauls like this where I try on the clothes that I bought, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And yeah, y'all, we out. Bye guys, love y'all, peace out.